Namaste, I am Dr. Abhishek Madhupasekar. Today we are diving into unique Indian study that explores something many of us experience. Delhi's pollution and its link to depression in asthma patients. This research study was being published in the Journal of Health and Pollution, and it is the first hospital-based study in India to explore how short-term air pollution exposure affects mental health and asthma. Let's break it down. Asthma affects over 30 million people in India. It's not just a physical illness, it affects how people feel mentally too. Many asthma patients experience anxiety and depression, and air pollution might be making it worse. Researchers wanted to know, can just 30 days of exposure to air pollutants worsen depression and asthma control? The study location was Delhi, one of the most polluted cities in the world. So total 151 patients aged 18 to 65 years old were taken from two major hospitals in Delhi. They measured two things. First was depression by PHQ-9 questionnaire. Second was asthma by using asthma control test. And for air pollution, they measured PM 2.5, PM 10, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and ozone based on where patient lived and worked. The results were shocking but important. More than 50% of the asthma patients were suffering from depression. Almost 74% of the patient had poorly controlled asthma. First, a small rise in PM 10, PM 2.5, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide levels significantly increase the odds of depression. The same pollutants also reduced asthma control. For an example, an increase in PM 2.5 led to 65% higher odds of severe depression.
This studies tells us one thing loud and clear: air pollution is not just hurting our lungs, it's affecting our minds too. You should track your asthma symptoms regularly first. Second, you should consult to your doctor regarding anxiety and depression. Third, use air purifier indoors. And fourth, if possible, limit outdoors during high pollution days. On a larger scale, we actually need government policies to control air pollution, especially vehicular and industrial pollution. ये स्टडी एक रेड फ्लैग है दैट हमें साफ हवा की कितनी जरूरत है, सिर्फ हमारे बॉडी के लिए नहीं बल्कि हमारे माइंड के लिए भी. So let's demand for better air quality and take charge of our health. Have you experienced any asthma symptoms or mood changes during high pollution season? Share your thoughts in the comment. Please do like, share and subscribe. That will help me a lot and encourage me to make more educational videos like this. Thank you.